Hey, this is problem type number 7 that you might see. This is angles. This is one of the more important ones. So let's first look at angles that are just like on lines. Now, sometimes there's things that might seem like pointless, but if they tell you that the lines are parallel, it's for a reason, because if they weren't, then these rules wouldn't work. So there's different rules that you need to remember, and there's specific names for them, but you don't have to know that for the ACT. But basically, you have to know that, okay, so if this is 65, we're going to try to find all these pink angles, all 7. So there's one rule that's actually not on here, so let me just say it right now. If you have something like this, let's say that this is 90 degrees. If this was like 41, well, this would just be 90 minus 41. Those are complementary angles is what it's called. So they add up to equal 90. Now that's not what these are. These are called, these two angles right here. Here, let me just do different colors so it's easier to see. These two are called supplementary. That means they add up to equal 180 because this is a flat line. So we do 180 minus 65 to figure out that angle, which is in fact 115. Well, right here, once again, these are supplementary. So this is actually 65 too. And another rule, by the way, angles that are across from each other like this, they are always equal. That's why they're both 65. Oh, so then this is 115 also. And you could also find that by supplementary angles again. Now, since these are parallel, there's something that you can do, corresponding angles. Right here, since this is 65, this is 65, it's almost like a mirror. So then this is 115, yeah, they all are the same. There you go, that's pretty simple. Now, angles in a triangle, they always add up to equal 180, no matter what kind of triangle it is. So that's not the case for Pythagorean theorem, or if you use SOHCAHTOA, which I'll make a video on that, that's not the same. You only can have a right triangle for those things. But it doesn't matter if the triangle looks like this, if it looks like this, like that, I mean, whatever kind it is. This one happens to be a right triangle, so we know this is 90 degrees. And if this is 31 degrees, we do 180 minus 31 minus 90 to find that this is 59. So that's your angles.